What's up, everyone? Welcome to Panhandle Saltwater Pursuit. I'm Garrett. Today, we're launching from Tyndall Air Force Base. The hope is today to go out and try to get some fish. I'm gonna see if we can target specifically some redfish, trout, maybe some flounder. Hope everyone had a good Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, guys, we're gonna head out to the spot right now and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we're gonna start out, throw out the top water. It is a little windy this morning, so we're just gonna troll the water really slow, kind of go into this current and into the wind. My goal for today is to go fish this little, I'll call it a mouth to a little inlet or lagoon. But right now we're on a outgoing tide, and the last few weeks we've been on a really negative tide. So what I'm gonna go try to do is fish some of these deep pockets in this little creek mouth and see if we can find some redfish or trout that are just schooled up in there, feeding on some fish. And yeah, that will be the goal for today, see what we can get. We got a fish on. What do we got? A flounder. Yeah, good little flat boy. Nice, first fish of the day. Decent. I don't know if it's gonna be a slot flounder, but we'll put him on the boat. Get a measurement on it. I can even pull the net out. Small little flounder. Yeah, not gonna even put a measurement on it. No, it's probably about 12, 13 inches. I gotta be 14. Appreciate the fight. See you later. All right, first fish of the day. On little, I think that's the Z-Man Easy Shrimp. All right, let's throw it back out there. I'll let it sink to the bottom. Oh, I let a little nibble right there. Just giving it a small little twitch. Got another flounder. I don't even think I was recording that. Been a little rusty, haven't been out in a while. All right, buddy. Appreciate it. See ya. Have a bite. What do we got? Something small. Another flat girl. All right. Oh, a decent size. Let's go. Might have to put a measurement on this one. Hop in here. Hey. Come now. Measuring board out. So at 14, we are at 14 and a half. Very nice. I think we will. Nah, we'll put it back. Oop, little nibble. Got a little bite. There we go. Little flounder. Oh, here we go. got it. There we go. It's just a little one. Nice. Just a little guy. Hold on, buddy. Oh. Yeah, he freaking gobbled that thing. Oh, got another flat boy. All right. Hey. Another little flounder. Little tiny one. All right. See you later. Just saw some redfish and trout. I think. I was going a little too quick with the kayak. I think I might have spooked them. Oh, little bite. Yep, got a flounder on, I think. Oh. Definitely felt like a flounder nibble. Just right along that grass lawn. Oh, okay. You didn't see that. Oh, another flounder. Nice. Appreciate the bite. See ya. Yeah, they're just little dinks in here. We caught just one over slot. All the other ones have been really small. Pretty sure I see some redfish just hanging out around these little grass lawns. Oh, I think we got a flounder. Yep. Nice. That's a decent one. Come here, big guy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Might be either 13 or 14. Let's see. Say 13. Yeah. Right at 13. See you later, bud. Have some wake on the top of the water over here. Let's just hope it's not mullet. Let's hope it's redfish. Oh, big freaking trout over there. Dang it. That was a big gator trout too. Oh yeah, they're schooled up in here. Uh-oh. Got some dolphin chasing up in here. Got some dolphin right over here. Another little flounder. Oh, little baby red. Come here, little guy. Jump hunt. Little redfish, probably about 14, 15 inches. See, bud? Guys, I think we have a flounder. Oh, nice. Little one again. Come here, buddy. Another little flounder. Probably about 12, 13 inches. See, buddy. Got another flounder. Another baby. Come on, let's get you on board. Send you back. Back to your family for Christmas. Just a little guy again. See you. Another one on the next cast. Jeez. Another flounder. Oh, barely hooked you. Hey, come on, buddy. Another flounder. See you later. Just caught another flounder and wasn't even recording. Got another flounder. Right at, say, 13 and a half. Oh man, we caught so many dink flounder today, I honestly lost count. What do we got? Another flounder. Another dink flounder. See you later. I'm gonna try to film this real quick, the outro. Overall, it was a decent day. Caught a bunch of flounder. Honestly, I lost track of how many I caught. Got one decent little redfish. It wasn't a slot, and we got one redfish. No trout, but overall, it was a good day. Weather was beautiful. We're doing this just a couple days before Christmas, so this will probably be my last opportunity to fish before we head out of town. Wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you guys enjoy time with your family and friends. All right, guys, until next time, Panhandle Saltwater Pursuit out.